In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment gateway to your Hostinger website. Setting up a payment gateway is crucial if you want to accept online payments smoothly. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to hostinger.com. You can either type the address directly or click on a link if you're following along on a device. Once the Hostinger homepage loads, you'll see a login button, usually in the top right corner. Click it to access your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, often called the H panel. This is your central hub for managing your website. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll find various options. Locate the section labeled Websites and click on it. This will show you all the websites you're hosting on your Hostinger account. Now, find the specific website you want to add a payment gateway to and click on Manage. This takes you to the store management area where you'll be able to adjust settings related to your online store. Within the store management section, look for the Settings option. It's usually quite prominent. Clicking on it will open a new page with several options to tweak your online store's functions. Inside the settings, you'll see various tabs. Find the one labeled Payments and click on it. This is where you'll manage all things payment related. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options to add new payment gateways compatible with Hostinger. To add a new payment gateway, you'll usually find a plus button or a similar option labeled Add Payment Gateway. Click it. This will open a list of available gateways. Choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences, considering factors like your target audience and transaction fees. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the integration. Each gateway might have its own specific steps, but Hostinger typically provides clear guidance. Once you finish the setup for your chosen payment gateway, you'll be able to start accepting online payments on your Hostinger website. Remember to test your payment gateway thoroughly before going live to ensure everything works as expected, and that's it. You've just learned how to seamlessly integrate a payment gateway into your Hostinger website. Now you're ready to start accepting online payments. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with any questions, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.